Hello guys, welcome to Workshop demo series. Today we are here to discuss a new connector which is HubSpot. So I am already installed the connector and we have following many options. So first one is the credentials. So in credentials we required a few required fields and I am already filled out the required fields. And after when you fill out the fields, we just click the connect button and it will authorize the account which account that you are using. So I'm select the account. You can also check which account that you are using for connector. So I just connect the app. So after when you are give the all permissions, so it will return to the Odoo. As you can see, we are successfully redirect to Odoo. So I'm going to HubSpot, and after credential part, we will move to connector menu option. So as you can see, we have a few services that we are integrated in Odoo. So we will test out all the services one by one, and also we have a daytime filter that will filter out all the data values that you are looking for in specific range. Okay, so we will start with the contacts. Okay, so I'm going to contact module that I already open it and create a new contact. I just put out some random values or dummy values. And I just save it. So the contact is saved successfully in Odoo. So I'm going to export the contact, and we are already in the specific range. So I just click the sync button. Take few seconds while internal integrations. So as you can see, the process synchronization is completed successfully. Also you can use the import history and export history. That will tell how many records are export or import and which service. Okay, so I can just click the export history, and as you can see, one contact is exported successfully. Okay, so I am going to HubSpot and check out whether the contact is exported successfully or not. So as you can see, the contact is exported successfully from Odoo. Okay, so I'm going to create a new contact in HubSpot that will be import in Odoo. Okay, so I just add some of the random values. And leave the field as remaining as it is. So it will take few seconds while creating contact. So as you can see, the contact is created successfully in HubSpot. Okay, so I am going to import that contact in Odoo. Okay, so I just click the import option and click the sync button. So process is completed successfully, and I just go to the contact module, and as you can see, the contact is imported successfully. So as you can see, both options or operations works perfectly. Okay, So move on to the next service, which is company. So I am going to create a new company. And we can add the other information as well. Just dummy information. So as you can see, the company is added successfully. So I'm going to export that company in from Odoo to HubSpot. So I'm just click the export option, and we already in the range. So I just click the sync button. So process is completed successfully, and I'm going to HubSpot and check the companies. So it will take few seconds while loading the resources. So as you can see, the company is exported from Odoo, is successfully added in HubSpot. Okay, so I'm going to add a new company in HubSpot that will be import in Odoo. Okay, so I just add some of the random information. Okay, so put the remaining information as it is. Create a company. So it will take few seconds while creating a company in HubSpot. So as you can see, the company is added successfully in HubSpot. So we simply check the import option and click the sync button. Process is completed successfully, and I just refresh the page. So it will take few seconds while loading the resources. So as you can see, the company is added successfully in Odoo that we are creating in HubSpot. So as you can see, both operation works perfectly in company. So move to the next service, which is the product. So I'm just going to invoicing. And here is products. I'm going to create a new product which will be exported to HubSpot. Okay, so I just put some random values. And click the save button. So the product is added in Odoo successfully. So I'm going to export it. So it will take few seconds, and the process is completed successfully. So I'm going to HubSpot in settings, and here is the product and codes. Okay, so the product is added successfully with the description that we are added. Okay, so the product is exported successfully, and we are going to add a new product. and click the save button. So the product is added successfully, and we are going to import that product. So the product is added successfully, and okay, so I just move to the view and the product is reloaded, and as you can see the product is added successfully in Odoo. Okay, so the product section or service, both operations work perfectly. Okay, so move to the last service, which is sales quote, and it has only one operation, which is import. Okay, so I'm going to in quotes in HubSpot, and as you can see we already have one quote. Okay, so I just import that quote in Odoo. So I just click the sync button and adjust the date time, and click the sync button. So the process is completed successfully, and we are going to invoicing and invoices. So as you can see the quote is successfully imported in Odoo. Okay, so sale quote operation is works perfectly, and these are the services that we are covered. Okay, so happy to use HubSpot, and hopefully it works for you as per requirement. Okay, bye.